The best hybrid cameras are ideal for content creators who shoot stills and movies. They are designed to capture pin-sharp photos and video footage equally well, giving you more flexibility, value, and the ability to switch between modes quickly. Whether you're looking to step up from the best camera phone or a fully fledged filmmaker interested in the best cameras for video with stills on the side, in this video, we will explore the 5 best hybrid cameras 2024 and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. Be sure to check that the products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end. So now coming up with number 5, Nikon Z8 is a dream come true for photographers and videographers alike. This hybrid camera offers 12-bit 8K video at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second. Raw video recording, delivering incredible detail and clarity. Its 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor produces vibrant, sharp photos with impressive dynamic range. The silent, vibration-free electronic shutter ensures discreet shooting, perfect for wildlife photography. Action photographers will love the 120 frames per second burst shooting and blackout-free viewfinder, capturing fast-moving subjects effortlessly. Fast, accurate autofocus with subject detection powered by deep learning locks onto subjects flawlessly, even in low light. The Nikon Z8's professional build is sturdy and intuitive, with smart connectivity features like built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for quick photo and video transfers. Despite its powerful features, the camera's compact, lightweight modular design makes it easy to carry around, ideal for travel photographers. While the price might be steep for beginners, it's a worthy investment for serious enthusiasts and professionals. The battery life could be better, especially in high-resolution modes, but carrying an extra battery solves this minor inconvenience. Overall, the Nikon Z8 excels in both video and still photography, making it a top choice for serious creators. Number 4. Sony A1 is a beast of a camera, packed with cutting-edge features and jaw-dropping performance. Its 50.1 megapixel, full-frame stacked, Exmor RS CMOS sensor captures incredible detail, making every shot sharp and vibrant. The next-generation Bionz XR image processing engine, 8 times more powerful than its predecessor, ensures top-notch noise reduction and color accuracy. With blackout-free shooting at up to 30 frames per second, action and sports photographers can capture perfect moments without delay. The world's first 240 frames per second refresh rate on a 9.44:0.64. QXGA OLED EVF provides a crystal-clear, smooth viewfinder experience. Additionally, the anti-flicker mechanical and electronic shutter eliminates flicker under artificial lighting, ensuring consistent shots. While the price point is steep and the menu system complex, the features packed into this camera make it worth the investment for serious photographers. The Sony A1 handles various shooting scenarios with ease, from high-speed sports to intricate landscapes, delivering stunning results. Its robust build quality and ergonomic design make it comfortable for extended use. In conclusion, the Sony A1 sets a new standard for professional cameras, making it a worthy contender in the market and definitely worth checking out for those looking to elevate their photography game. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix S5. Mark II. X nails it with precision and speed, standing out in the crowded market of mirrorless cameras. Its phase hybrid autofocus system locks onto subjects quickly and accurately, ensuring you won't miss crucial moments. The 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor delivers sharp, high-resolution images with natural, true-to-life colors, outperforming many competitors. The Active IS system provides smooth handheld shots, adding flexibility and reliability. For video enthusiasts, the S5iiX supports high bitrate recording and offers a 14+ stop, V-Log V-gamut capture, providing a wide dynamic range and rich colors. The advanced heat dispersion mechanism allows for unlimited recording, setting it apart from other cameras that overheat during long sessions. Pro-level features like 5.8K ProRes and RAW over HDMI capabilities cater to serious videographers, while wireless and wired IP streaming options are perfect for content creators. I love its comprehensive feature set, tailored for ambitious creators, combining high-quality imaging, robust video capabilities, and advanced stabilization. Number 2. Canon EOS R5 is a beast of a camera. Canon's latest release, the EOS R5, is nothing short of a photographer's dream, with its 45-megapixel full-frame sensor producing stunningly detailed images. Shooting in 8K DCI cinematic movie capture is like having a mini Hollywood studio, allowing for extracting 35.4 megapixel stills from video footage. The continuous capture at up to 20 frames per second and dual-pixel CMOS AF2 ensure every shot is in perfect focus, making it ideal for action shots. With 1053 automatic AF zones, capturing people and animals with precision is effortless. The 5-axis in-body image stabilization keeps handheld shots steady, even in low light. Connectivity options include 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making image transfer seamless. While the camera can overheat when shooting extended 8K video and the price tag is steep, the features make it worth every penny. Overall, the Canon EOS R5 delivers exceptional performance and image quality, perfect for photographers and videographers looking to push their creative boundaries. Number 1. Sony A6700 is a camera that promises to revolutionize your photography game. With its 26.0 megapixel APS-C format, XMOR sensor, the image quality is incredible, capturing every detail with sharpness and vibrant colors. The Bionz XR processing power ensures quick and efficient image processing, perfect for spontaneous moments. Its dedicated AI processor offers real-time recognition, tracking subjects with pinpoint accuracy, making shooting in challenging conditions easy. The high frame rate 4K 120p recording lets you capture silky smooth, slow-motion footage, ideal for action shots or artistic projects. Lightweight and compact, the A6700 is perfect for travel and on-the-go shooting, fitting snugly in your bag. However, the menu system can be a bit complicated initially, but it's packed with useful features and customization options. Once you get the hang of it, the lack of in-body image stabilization means you'll need stabilized lenses for steady shots, and the battery life is decent but could be better, so carrying an extra battery is advisable. Despite these minor issues, the Sony A6700 shines with exceptional image quality, fast processing power, and smart AI features, making it perfect for photographers and videographers seeking a high-performing camera. So that's wrapping our list of the 5 best hybrid cameras 2024 from the Panasonic Lumix S5. Mark IIX is exceptional video features. To the Sony A1's uncompromising performance, each camera on this list caters to the unique needs of modern visual storytellers. The Sony A6700's compact design and the Canon EOS R5's impressive versatility further demonstrate the breadth of options available, while the Nikon Z8 stands as the ultimate hybrid powerhouse for serious photographers. Regardless of your specific requirements or budget, these top-tier hybrid cameras are poised to elevate your creative journey, empowering you to capture every moment with unparalleled precision and artistry. Dive in, explore the features that resonate with you, and unlock the true potential of your vision. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.